Good day, my beautiful, phenomenal people. Dawn Spirit here. So, guys, I want to share this prosperity bowl ritual that I use for my home and every home I've ever lived in. But first, before we start, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Just tap there, subscribe, and also tap the bell to get notifications. I have so much information I want to share with you guys. All right, so moving forward, all the items that I use for my prosperity bowl come from the dollar store. Don't need to spend an arm and leg, no more than $10, except for the Florida water and the sage. But anyway, so what you do is you can use a regular glass candle you can get from the dollar store, or you can use a tea light candle or a candlestick. Okay, any one of these, a white candle. Okay. When you do, make sure that you bless the candle. I like to cleanse my glass candle if I'm doing it for the first time for a new home. Put a little Florida water on it, wipe it off, okay? And then I also like to cleanse the items, the bags that I'm going to use, which is brown sugar or white sugar. I'm going to cleanse that bag. I'm going to cleanse the bag of rice, okay? All right. And I'm also going to cleanse the beans that I'm going to use. So, the items we're going to put in the bowl is a safety pin, which I'm going to cleanse too, okay? Bag of rice, brown sugar or white sugar, glass bowl, some saran wrap, and a bag of beans. So you're going to cleanse all that, okay? Wipe it off with Florida water, or you can use sage. You can smudge it with sage to cleanse the negative energy, because you don't know who have touched your items, okay? So you want to cleanse and bless everything that you use, okay? So, this is called a prosperity protection bowl. It's going to keep prosperity in your home and protection, love, and happiness, and food in your cupboards and your refrigerator. So you will never have challenges with eating. Matter of fact, you'll have more than enough food or anything and everything you need under your roof, okay? So first I'm going to pour the brown sugar or white sugar in a bowl. I actually got these small mixing glass bowls from the dollar store as well. Okay. So when you're doing that, when you're putting each ingredient in a bowl, you're going to infuse it and charge it with your intention of what you wanted to accomplish in your home or your place of business. So the intention is to bring prosperity, love, and happiness, and keep my life sweet and happy in my home. Wherever this bowl, wherever this sugar goes, wherever in my home or my place of business, okay? Next thing you're going to do is you're going to get the rice that you get from the dollar store as well. So to the top. You can use like a cup or a cup and a half, depending on how big of a bowl that you want to use. Attention to always have lots of staples and food in our home and in our life, and prosperity and happiness. Ashe. So you charge it with that intention. And then you're going to get the beans. You do the same thing with the beans. Because these are items that will never go bad, okay? So you're going to also infuse it and charge it with your intention of what you want the beans to do that are in your bowl in your home. So, ashe. Much love, joy, happiness, and protection, and joy and prosperity, and plenty of food in our home. Lights on, utilities, water, clean clothes. Money is never a challenge. Ashe. You can infuse the bowl with that. Okay? And then you're going to take the bowl. All right? Before you like I said, you're supposed to light the candle. I'm moving too fast. You're supposed to light the candle, either one of the candles. You can, if you want to, as an extra step, you can put a little bit of cinnamon That's you can get from the dollar store. You can sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon. That's a lot of cinnamon. A little bit of cinnamon in the don't put too much. I'll put a little bit back in here, but you can sprinkle some cinnamon on the candle to give it that extra protection and prosperity and love and happiness in your home. And or you can put it, put some olive oil on a stick handle, and you can put a little cinnamon on that too, and lace it with some honey or brown sugar. And these are all natural things. There's nothing negative. These are all natural things. All you're using the fruits and the tools and items that God has provided us with. These are all natural items, okay, that God has provided us with to work with, tools to help ourselves, okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to start first with the beans, and you're going to put them in a bowl. You're going to kind of like put it like a little hole in the middle of the beans as well, because you're going to layer each thing, okay. Then you're going to put the rice. Make sure you put a little hole in the middle, okay. And then you're going to add your brown sugar. Or white sugar, whatever you feel as though you want to add. And you're going to layer that. Okay? And then last, for security and protection, to close everything together, to bind all these items and ingredients with your intentions, you're going to put a safety pin in the middle of the hole of the bowl. Just that easy. Okay? And your candle's lit. And after your candle goes out, or prior to your candle, you can just take some saran wrap and cover the bowl with it. I did one of these for my children, for their homes. All my children, actually. And you're going to seal the bowl with saran wrap and put it in the cupboard. Okay, so you'll always have prosperity, love, joy, happiness in your home. And that's how you make a prosperity bowl. When the candle goes out, just throw it in the trash, and that's how you make a prosperity bowl. Okay, remember, anytime that you make an intention or a ritual or whatever that you're trying to accomplish, make sure that you cleanse it if you're using tools or items. Okay, make sure you cleanse and bless yourself. I already cleansed and blessed myself. So your mind is in the right frame, because remember, we track energy amongst ourselves. I also play some music to keep me focused. I like to play 1000 megahertz music. You can get it on YouTube, or you can do 500. So, anything with positivity. This is a DNA megahertz video that I'm playing through YouTube. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you make your prosperity bowl, prosperity protection bowl, to make your home prosperous and to protect you. Okay, Dawn Spirit here. I want to send you all wonderful love, joy, and happiness and prosperity. May good, wonderful, positive things come into your life. May you only receive positive energy and blessings. May God and the universe only attract you and surround you by wonderful, positive people. May you get all the wonderful things you want in life, as long as there's no harm to none. Ashe, 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 ashe. Some more to be, some more to be, some more to be, some more to be. Dawn Spirit, peace out. Love, peace, and happiness. And I will chat with you guys soon. Don't forget to subscribe. All right, guys. Bye.